Welcome to ReVolver VX Spread Strategy Backtesting Demo 2. In this video, we are going to demonstrate batch mode backtesting on 1-minute data over long periods of time. This mode doesn't have any graphical user interface and is controlled completely via the set of parameters specified in the XML configuration file. Once all the parameters are set, the backtesting process can begin. After completion, the run command will return the scalar strategy performance metrics and statistics, time series strategy performance indicators, and a few MATLAB structures containing the strategy and market state after the simulation. The latter allows us to chain the backtesting module's calls, using the output of one backtesting run as an initial state for the next backtesting run. The backtesting is now finished. Let's plot the strategy performance indicators to see how well our strategy does for the specified set of parameters and the chosen date range. To do that, we use save figures, parameterized with the destination folder name, where the resulting pictures are now going to be stored. Generating and saving these pictures takes just a few seconds. Now, we can go to the destination folder and look through these pictures one by one. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on other ReVolver demo videos.